Hi, I'm DIRK Smith. We live at Beechmont in Queensland. Wendy and I had always wanted to design and build our own home. When we bought the block of land at Beechmont, we suddenly had a situation where we could do just that. What helped was we found Imagine Kit Homes. Now, when we first found Imagine, we thought that they had their own designs and would supply on that basis. Having chats with Keith Richardson, he goes, no, simply you provide the design, our engineers will sort it all out and you can take the kit home and build. Well, in so many words. We did just that. We took the design to Imagine Kit Homes, they priced it, and their engineers tweaked a few of the little things that, being not an architect, I couldn't quite get right. And then we built the home. And it's a great experience. It's hard work, but at the end of the day, when you sit down and you look around the house and you think, wow, we did this, it's just a great feeling. Imagine were fantastic. Anytime there was a technical issue, they were more than happy to help us, and they would come and site visit and walk through any of the issues that we had. If there was any short supply, no problems, out it came. I would recommend to anyone to use Imagine Kit Homes and to build their own home.